Okay guys, try to keep you up to date with some videos for this section on these sections in chapter 4. And like I like to do, as you guys know, is I like to combine what's going on so you really have an idea of, the progression that we're talking about. So before you guys left for camp, we talked about factoring. So this employs the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. So if you just make that one step a little more confusing, then we take this to polynomials, in which case we have, we start using some variables in here. Factoring is generally thought of as just some numbers, two sets of numbers, and just for example, find the common factor of 60, 72, 84, 60, 72, 84. So you'd be asked to find the greatest common factor of those and the least common multiple. Polynomials just makes it a little more confusing by saying, okay, let's find the same thing. Let's find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple if we introduce some coefficients and some variables. So we could have 54 r squared s to the third and 72 r s squared t, and then find the greatest common factor and least common multiple of those. And then a quadrilateral is another variation where we're essentially saying that we have a standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. And we'll use that form. And it's a different form, a little bit different for different textbooks, but it's essentially the same thing, that we have a squared term here, this degree is 1, and this is the constant over here. So that's where we're going with this in this whole chapter for these sections. So this is essentially section 4.4 and 4.5. This is 4.6 and into 4.7. So what I'm going to do in the next little video is go through a couple of problems, and then of course you can email me with any problems that you have on the homework as well.